tucked away in a majestic corner of the Upper West Side on 106th Street, also known as Duke Ellington Boulevard, and Riverside Drive, is 340 Riverside Drive, one of the nicest buildings in all of Manhattan. Built in 1926, this was a building that Billie Holiday sang in, a classic building as only New York can do. Come on in and we'll show you apartment 10C. As you enter apartment 10C at 340 Riverside Drive, your eye is immediately pulled to a gracious, expansive living room with a giant picture window. Through the window, you see the expanse of Riverside Park, the Hudson River, and the George Washington Bridge as you look north. As you head to the dining room, you will see ample room for a dining room table that can fit at least 8 and beautiful wood floors. Your gourmet kitchen features ample counter space and plenty of room for a small table and chairs. The enormous primary bedroom suite easily fits a king-size bed, has a beautiful ensuite bathroom featuring a soaking tub, and has another gracious view of the Hudson River, Riverside Park, and the George Washington Bridge. Your second bedroom faces east and gets great light and a built-in perfect for working at home. Both windowed bathrooms in apartment 10C feature Italian handcrafted tile, cast iron tubs, and European-style brass fixtures. So thanks again for joining me on this tour of apartment 10C at 340 Riverside Drive. So you can call me, Jack Isquith, or any member of the Harkov Lewis team, and we'll get you in to see this classic apartment right away.